Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another Crochet Braids, thunder in the background. I'm going to be doing this white blonde ombre river curl pattern style by Trendy Tresses again, which by far has been one of my most favorite brands to work with by far. So I figured I would just start out with doing the invisible part method. I feel like I'm probably not ever going to stop doing this talk through for how I knot my crochet braids, because there's always new people coming to my channel. So right here I am just doing the, what is this one, the tree knot, and I took smaller pieces from each side of the hair and now I'm tying them into 2 knots. And now I want to show myself just doing the regular knots of the crochet. And for this kind of hair, you just want to be sure to knot it at least 4 times, because it is some quality synthetic hair. That means it's a little slippery and you want to make sure it's secure. But this is the way the hair is looking so far. And now this is how you know that we're at the end, because now I'm styling and I'm cutting the hair to my liking. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I like to cut my hair into layers. I'm not the biggest fan of a blunt cut. I like to be able to wear the hair as if it was my own. To define my curls, I like to use my Locking Plus Coconut Curls. It smells the bomb, okay? It smells very tropical. And so what I did here was I just ran it through all of my curls and gave it a little scrunch. And you could just see how my curls and the hair alone, it tamed it and it defined it. It's just beautiful. Look at that color. This next step is very important. So to oil my scalp, I am using the Main Choice Growth Oil. And you know what? It's moisturizing. Not only does it add growth, but it is very moisturizing. And if you feel any itching going on while you're wearing this style, you can always just oil your scalp. And my go-to Argan Oil Creme of Nature, Perfect Edges Extra Hold, to lay those edges, girl. You know what I always say, please don't neglect them. Don't neglect them. Your hairstyle is not complete until you lay down those edges. I'm just saying.
see it.